tail is finally here. I've never done one of these unboxing things, but I'm going to do it for this one. This is a Mertailor fin. I bought it just to use as a fin because I thought it was actually too pretty to put in a tail. It cost me £700, $550 to get it here, $155 on top of that for the postage. It's very expensive, so let's see if she's worth it. It's very exciting. Okay, I promise this is the last tail. That's a good one. Cute touch. That's what I tell my husband. Oh my god. Oh sweet Jesus, Mary and Joseph. Where do we start? Lord. Oh my god. Sweet Mary and Joseph. Load that later. So this is the Fantasea Fin 3 colour Jellyfish Wave. Oh Lord. I mean, this is the real deal. The detail of the fins, oh my god, it's massive. This is worth every penny. £700. I had to wait less than a month, I'd say, for this. I reckon I ordered it probably 4 weeks ago. Oh, this is the back. Oh, fuck me, she's a beaut. She is a blooming beaut. Wow. I'm going to be swimming in this on Friday, so not tomorrow, the next day. And I'm going to be posting a video on my channel. And it's my birthday on the 1st of September. So she arrived just in time for Man's birthday. Woo! Oh my god, I'm so grateful. I love you. Thank you, Mertailor.